good afternoon. It's Rich from Motorcycle Garage. Ducati stuff today. Basically, I have just taken off the exhaust headers. There's the front or horizontal cylinder, and around here is the vertical cylinder, which I've taken the exhaust off in bits. I'll just show you here, because there's the collet. Brilliant idea how it works. So simple. Basically, that goes on there. Then of course these things sit inside, one either side, as it were, inside, and that comes down, and then you can do it onto the cylinder, as it were. So, and when you want to relieve it, you just take that off, it all comes off. Brilliant idea. So I've got to book in. The main reason here is yes, I'm going to clean all this up, but I've got some replacements in black of the headers. And I'm going to put the long exhaust back on again, just normal exhaust. Yeah, these will clean up, but I've already got set headers cleaned up, so we will see. They're in black, we'll see what they look like. So yeah, mainly it is the rocker and rear suspension assembly that there's two bearings either side, as you can see there, two bearings the side of the rocker, which is over here, which is in there, which you can't see from there, sorry. You will do. We'll just come around here. It's in there anywhere, the rocker. You can see the top of the rocker there. There's the rocker, and it goes off to the left there and down there. So I'm just about to, there it is. You can see the tie bar there goes down to here, down to the bottom there with suspension, obviously, and that's the whole sort of triangle, the way it works, rocks and suspension works, which is brilliant. It all comes off without me having to actually take the tank off, which is good, because once I've undone that, that rocker moves forward with suspension, then I can undo the top of the rear suspension. Yeah, anyway, the main reason is not just to muck about, but to actually check these bearings inside the rocker there. I think there's two either side pressed in, so I'll check them anyway very carefully. If they're fine, no problem, there's no grating or grittiness or stiffness or anything like that. Otherwise they're just simple press out the two either side and then press new ones in, with a bit of heat, etc, etc, and the pressing tool, whatever you want to use. I'll use an extraction tool rather than a press, but it seems to work okay. So I supported it gently under here. It's only really gentle, it's because obviously I'll be taking that apart and that off, so the bike will want to fly up in the air, as it were, and I don't really want that happening, so I'll be doing that and then getting a balance on the suspension and then taking that out as well. So that's where we are with it at the moment, and I'll give you an update another time. Pretty's going well. I've just given it a little run round. Starts beautifully with a lithium ion battery, so that's good. Yeah, so have a good afternoon. At least it's sunny, 5 degrees I think. Sunny and nice, and a bit of fun working in the garage. Just the old hobbies, you know. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Have a good afternoon. Bye.